Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. Hey Miss Cali Cat. She's like, I'm chirping at the bird right now, Mom. So today I have a paparazzi haul. This is my card. She sends me a thank you card. Every once in a while I'll order a bunch of paparazzi jewelry. I like to put it in my giveaways. You know, some of it I keep for myself. If I see that one is really popular, I may try to get another one to put in the giveaway for y'all, if I decide to keep it, which I actually did that. I get mine from Kelly Hicks, who, sorry about that, is from Gypsy Gals. Normally, if I want something, I just message her through Facebook and say, hey, I want so many sets. Can you get me so many sets? Paparazzi jewelry is $5. You can either get the necklace and earrings for $5. Sometimes it's just the earrings for $5 or the necklace or whatever, but however it comes. So I'm going to show you what I got with this haul, and I'll see what I can do about putting a link down below if you want to get in touch with her and try paparazzi jewelry, because I mean $5. I ended up getting 6 pieces, and since I ordered 6 pieces, she waived the shipping. I think it's a special she's running right now. So all 6 pieces, I think I paid her $30. So that really got me an extra piece since she waived the shipping, because it would have been $4.95 or something like that. We're gonna look at this. This is Gleaming Gardens silver necklace. And it does come with earrings. Y'all, look at this. Hang on, let me get down to it. Look at that. Is that not cute? I hope it's coming out good. It does have the stone behind it, and then it's got the filigree in the front. Kind of looks like a little flower. Very cute. Like that. It's gonna hang down low. Once I put it on, actually it'll hang a little bit lower than that. They are adjustable, by the way, so you can adjust it to the length you want it, which, you know, I like that. Oh, that purpley blue stone back behind there. That is pretty. Oof. Okay, moving on. So this set, $5. I mean, you cannot beat that. All right, this is the set that I was telling you about, that I got the set. I kept it because I liked it so much. Everybody talked about it, so I thought this would be a great giveaway set because everybody loved it. It is the Millennial Minimalist Copper Necklace. So this will probably go in a giveaway. I'm probably fixing to do a I Reached 400 giveaway. So that's probably gonna go in that, so I'll be watching for that. Very cute, very long, love it. Got lots of compliments about it when I was wearing it. Very cute. All right, next I got this Fairy Lights green necklace. Now this one is shorter. I do like to get some short and some long because, you know, some days you just want to wear something short. This one's from Rocksbox, by the way. Look at this pretty green. Oh, isn't it cute? I just thought this would be adorable. I mean, it'd look good with what I'm wearing right now. Very cute. Actually, just yesterday I was looking for a shorter silver necklace because a lot of my short stuff ends up being gold. I don't know how it ends up being that way. But yeah, that would have done me some good yesterday. I wanted some rose gold earrings. So I asked her, do you got any rose gold earrings? And she said, oh, those go off the shelf like hotcakes. She only had 2 pair left. This is one of the pairs that she had. Look how cute these are. This is the Warped Perceptions rose gold earrings. So adorable. I really like these. The other ones that she had were a little more boho looking, you know, the I cannot think of what they're called, but like I said, I will try to put some sort of link below that will take you to her Facebook page, if not just tell you what her Facebook page is, so you can go and find it if you want to get it. These are Changing Leaves copper necklace. I love a good leaf on a necklace, and I really like the copper, so this worked out quite well for me. Look how cute this is. And y'all, when they're super long, and I think they're too long, sometimes I will wrap them around my neck so that you have a double look, and it makes it shorter. Look at that. I mean, it might jingle when you walk, but so cute. Love the look of them. Very nice. Kelly is like pooped over here. She's just completely kaplunked out. All right, last piece. This is the wearable wildflower copper necklace. I also do like having copper around, or this more vintage looking copper. I like a vintage look. You know I like a vintage look every once in a while. Y'all have seen me wear them. Look at this. So the earrings are dangled chains. I thought that was very interesting, very retro. Look at this. Hang on. I've got it backwards. Look at the pendant, y'all. Is that not just gorgeous? It's got maybe a lily pad, water lily. If you know, I have the water garden out back, so it just felt right up my alley. It looks like it would be locket, but it's not. Kind of a faux locket. It's a flocket. Oh, I dropped it. It's a flocket. So that's what I got from Paparazzi. Okay, so let me know what you think of the jewelry, how you think I did, what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see. I really appreciate all your feedback. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Check to make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube has been doing some crazy stuff. We really appreciate you coming and spending time with us. Don't forget to share the video and press that notification bell so you know when I'm putting new videos out. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.